Hello everyone, my name is Rasleen Kaur and I am the MBA student at Akal Business School. So today I am here to share one good news that from last 1 month we were just searching for the internships for MBA students, and I really got selected in Grant Thorton company, which is a multinational company and it's the 6th largest company I can say in the accounting and the consulting firm. I am very happy to be the part of Global Thornton, and this is because of the God's sake faculty I can say, and because of the many members, Harmeet sir, Aman sir and Panch sir. Because of all these people I am able to be an intern of Grant Thorton, and from the and I also want to say that and all the students are searching for that, and all they will get the best opportunity and grab this in the few months I can say, and this is the best opportunity and I am very happy with that. So thank you so much.